Welcome to our eco-friendly channel where we always bring you the latest and most interesting eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Whether you are here for the first time or you watch our videos on a regular basis, we are glad to have you on board. As usual, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, as that helps the channel to grow and reach more people. Thank you. What we have for you today is something special. Essential oils. Many people like these for their amazing scents and therapeutic properties. In case you didn't know, they can also be used for cleaning purposes. They are just as lovely with their amazing scent and add to the cleaning power of many recipes. Without further ado, allow us to share a few with you. All-purpose cleaner. You can make your traditional 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water cleaner even better with 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Spice it up with melaleuca essential oil too and you get a lovely smelling cleaning solution. Use it on cabinets, counters, toilets, and sinks. Window cleaner. For this solution, you will need 3 cups of distilled water, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, a 1/4 cup of vodka or rubbing alcohol, and 15 drops of spearmint essential oil. Mix well and use this on windows, mirrors, and stainless steel. Shower spray. Combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1½ cups of water with ½ cup of rubbing alcohol. Add 10 drops of tea tree essential oil and 10 drops of lime essential oil. Use the solution on the shower walls and door every day. It will prevent the buildup of soap scum and hard water stains. Carpet freshener. Combine 1 cup of baking soda with 30 drops of lemon essential oil. Sprinkle on your carpet prior to vacuuming and allow it to sit for a few hours. It will do wonders for the smell in the room. This method will also remove any unpleasant lingering odors from the carpet. There are many more essential oil solutions you can use for DIY cleaning products. We will be sure to explore those further in future videos. That is why you should subscribe and keep a close eye on this channel. Hit the notification button to ensure you don't miss a single video from us.